Showboy abe blastic KOKA concerning nsema okoka ye say FBI for enhwehwe eye CrIss WaDdle chira kwan no mon question whereabouts of his money.
KOKA train mami pum ba kwa mi ka say chira KOKA kwasia KOKA me nisi wa pam sakora na so kwasia o 3 years mfu ate
and in the spending if you say tamana na do was on abusuya na CrIss WaDdle sabotage his government na KOKA nsema okan na abusuya enu ni
say mama see reset obi ti say CrIss WaDdle say me person who FBI for na busa so makono ho a CrIss WaDdle
aseme na okay
so no na ni tia ma nanado hwie nanado ye enye nefe nti obi ti say CrIss WaDdle so omko because the source of revenue no questionable
to me to you
intimacy
I didn't the source of a year questionable to you
so osi mama nanado assess system no but normal of front no say oye aduma sesen wo Ghana no many bi ukura no sebi bed in so obinya nti FBI
na uni aduma
baby FBI for no wo nyina no hwe akola wo ho na wo zo mu panyi a na obedi atema ebi kan FBI for no baby amu obi a mo momodi na mo hwehwe CrIss WaDdle
KOKA
why me ka sa wa ship nyina mo papers no na mo
asema okay bi me aduma me na kakra ada won na share oga bi ho ana
oh there so mo nyina ma girls no price akoso
the case you are eating it is good
I na wuti KOKA nsem ni bia he's linking whatever he's saying to political he's linking it into politics and stand be kind because na ochemu say abofra wani nsuadia ediboko osanya maniemu because of say tamana na do woso no na CrIss WaDdle etimi sabotage enyuma bia na enkoso yi oyi oman mu. Now KOKA is known to be an NPP supporter. Ede Showboy so dey say beto dwan o say eye KOKA on fana sem so hokra wo nyan nin sem okeka nin sem no kan yin impossible because FBI for no cry nim CrIss WaDdle more than eye KOKA no eye CrIss WaDdle because say CrIss WaDdle ni money no eye legit money.
KOKA train mami pum ba kwa mi ka say chira KOKA kwasia KOKA me nisi wa pam sakora na so kwasia o 3 years mfu ate WaDdle he dey America he dey work for America you understand non Spanish will be brave juma or landscaping or you may be brave need to on the kind of the table
because a legitimate money and your fraud money and as I just scam money now you go Showboy this more to ja or brand na we same one what you say there be CrIss WaDdle de won si Canada na Ghana hakra de wa ntena hakra na je we ne mofra say nyina watana buchira anti we citizen of the United States it FBI for ntimi inform nzanka CrIss WaDdle
KOKA train mami pum ba kwa mi ka say chira KOKA kwasia KOKA me nisi wa pam sakora na so kwasia o 3 years mfu ate ena I was say FBI for go investigate CrIss WaDdle okay KOKA obi investigate mami kwasia you say what they did they just walk around make I tell you something see enya here pay make I bust your mind about WaDdle you must have really like WaDdle he be Jimmy for but I just will bust your mind show you WaDdle he dey America he dey work for America you understand non Spanish will be brave juma or landscaping or you may be brave need to on the kind of the table where juma e pa kisika e ba Ghana e be ye no investment e be ye no be ye again Kweku Otwe WaDdle in the city for there he get MDK as an artist he get Showboy as a Jimmy for KOKA me I get money past you your whole entire life MDK your bucket on way you he get money past you your whole generation so KOKA I want to tell you something and educate you people WaDdle is an American boy on your Ghana boy once na Ghana when you were Ghana it will be sound say I was on my FBI for investigating CrIss WaDdle kwasia FBI for no more money CrIss WaDdle America who don't get social security social security it does state I na state FBI for money WaDdle and another thing we don't know WaDdle he get baby mama for America or about America or American in Jimmy for KOKA and where the WaDdle get kwasia share sound and you be on Ghana Kroma or you know so your fraud boy to your fraud boy you if you were I was so young also a fraud boy yeah musicians me say me say that go see me busia for scam busia for shame but me that ba me say mama ba
best show and any kanya over this platform you subscribe now I share this video somewhat of phone bibia no bibia so say iTumaka now if you watch the comment section I say do you think say whatever I mean show boy is saying he's saying it to defend CrIss WaDdle and I say he's doing it for online or some things and I say he's saying the real fact under the comment section. Hi Camera Studios and I go by the name Sticky the Soup Pastor, your favorite and the youngest content creator in your country. Finally out.